Dude, that's a big ass redfish there. Bro.
Yeah, buddy.
On the can of frat.
Let's see if I can get this hook up.
Here, got some gravelers here.
Full fisting on redfish mouth. You know it's fucking big.
Alright, you got something to lie about.
Yeah. Hold that.
Oh yeah. Out here, battling the storm. Big old redfish looking
I
here.
can't even fit him in the whole frame. Hold on. Oh my God.
Woo. Out here, odds are against us. Saturday night, windy, big bull reds, baby. Woo. Oh. And just like that, one down. Let's hook up again, boys.
That might be the bull red, right?
Yeah.
Something itching. Hey.
Oh!
We might be in a school.